So, good day, sir. I am Zara Kiyokar, and today I'll present my program in GXWorks 2 tungkol sa logic gates function. I will first give a short overview of each logic gate, then explain kung paano sila nagpa-function sa program at kung paano ilaw yung output. First, we have this logic gates and function. It says here that both inputs must be switched on for the output to be energized. So, dito po sa program may dalawang inputs, x0 and x1. Para umilaw ang output y0, kailangan po ay sabay na naka-on ang dalawang inputs. Kapag isa lang ang naka-on or both are off, hindi iilaw yung lamp. For example, let's try. If I'll open this, hindi po siya umilaw. But when I turned on this, yun, kapag sabay na naka-on, iilaw ang ating output. And that's the AND gate. Next is logic gates or function. The output is energized if at least one input is switched on. So, if I turn this on, I need to simulate first. If I turn this on, it will light up. Then this one, it will light up. So, bali maalin po sa kanila ang pwedeng i-turn on at siya po ay iilaw. Yan lang ang logic gate or function. Next, logic gates, not function. The output is on when the input is off and vice versa. So, let's see kung totoo nga ba na ganon. At dahil naka-off, naka-turned on ang ating output. Naka-off po siya. Dahil naka-off yung ating ang input na X4, nag-turn on ang ating output. Pero kung ating ito-turn on siya, mamamatay yung output. Dahil sabi nga dito, ang output ay mag-o-on kapag ang input ay naka-off. So, bali, kahit, vice versa. For our fourth one, logic gates, NAND function. Sabi dito, the output is energized unless both inputs are switched on. So, let's see kung tama ang sinasabi. Dahil naka-off, nag-on po ang ating output. Kung baga po ito ay kabaligtaran ng AND function. Kapag kailangan sa AND function, 'di ba? Kailangan siya ay both na naka-on. Dito naman po para ma-energized ang output, kailangan pareho siyang naka-off. That's it for a NAND function. So, for the fifth one, logic gates, NOR function. The output is energized only when all inputs are switched off. Let's see. As you can see, naka-off po ang ating inputs. That's why on itong ating output. If I turn this on, namatay po ang ating output. So, kapag pinatay ko rin po ito, syempre wala siyang output, hindi iilaw. Ito po ay kabaligtaran ng OR function. This is a NOR function, not OR. Kumbaga. And lastly, logic gates XOR function. It says the output is on when only one input is on, but not both. So, in my program, kung naka-on lang si X11 or naka-on lang si X12, iilaw yung Y5. Ito. Pero, kapag pareho silang off or parehong on, hindi siya iilaw. So, let's see. Parehong naka-off, hindi siya nakailaw. So, when I will turn this on, and I'll turn this on, ay, sala. Isa lang nga pala. So, ayan. Umilaw na ang ating output. And that's all my program. That's how the different logic gates work sa PLC program. Each gate has its own condition para umiilaw ang output depending sa inputs na naka-on or off. That's all po. Thank you.